So I just wanted to do a quick off-season update. Super exciting. I just did the video with Brandon Wicknick. He came out and visited and we shredded the track. Anybody that passes through Albuquerque, hit me up, comment, message me, slide into my DMs, whatever you need. Carrier pigeon, par avion, it's airmail I think. But anyway, I'm gonna do a winter update on what's going on post-season with the Z. My Formula D car is still in shambles and I just want to cry every time I think about it. So I'm gonna go outside, show you guys the Z, talk about all of the season's antics. I had a great time driving the Z. It is the best investment that I've made. Some bad things happen to it and that's okay. I'll show you those when I go outside. I want to work on the trailer a little bit. And before I actually do any of that, I want to thank you guys so much for buying so much GK Tech. If you didn't know, I am the US distributor for all of GK Tech. So if you buy a GK Tech product from any retailer, from the website, it all ships from me. So I package it with love for you. But yes, thank you guys so much. We're growing. We actually had to move into a bigger warehouse. We got lots and lots of new products coming in for 350Zs, which I'll talk about in a second as well. Otherwise, again, thank you guys so much for buying GK Tech. Keep doing it. Keep telling your friends. It's good stuff and it's reasonably priced. You can't beat that. You just can't beat that. Also, Happy New Year. And Merry Christmas if you didn't get wished Merry Christmas by somebody. And I hope you did. All right, let's go outside. It's now winter. There's snow all over the ground. You can't really drive the Z anywhere. Not that I would anyway. Get him. Dog saw a rabbit. But I just wanted to do kind of an update on the Z, how it fared after an entire season of me beating the living crap out of it and loving every moment. And also an unfortunate thing that happened. Covered and smothered in snow. I guess that happens in the wintertime. I did an entire season of drifting on this thing. Went to multiple events out of state. All of the events here, plus all of the tire tests. I probably did over 500 laps this season on this car and it held up amazingly well. The only thing that I had to replace was the starter. And one other thing, what the hell else went out? No, nothing. Just the starter. Installed the GK Tech dual pot bracket. It's a prototype piece that they've been working on for a little bit, and I think those are going into production, so super pumped on that. Stock 350Z calipers that aren't the Brembo version are like $112 shipped brand new, so you can't really beat that. The e-brake works fantastically with the GK Tech kit. I used a basic kit and I kind of hodgepodge some lines together and gave them measurements so that they could make an actual kit for 350Zs. Sweet. I know he's developing a basic angle kit, kind of like the roll center correction kit for the 240s. So that's in the pipes. I know he's got LCAs in the front and the rear. He's probably going to do all the arms in the rear. Don't know if he's doing drop knuckles for it yet, but that would be awesome. More 350Z stuff he could make, the happier I'm going to be. Anyway, got the starter in, and there were some other problems with the suspension I had, but I'll go into that at another time. Big thing that happened is it got backed into. I didn't even get the record on a racetrack. That's okay. Things happen. Insurance is going to pay out for it. So I'm probably going to end up getting another Z. So I'm going to have a buddy Z. Fantastic. So I think it worked out for the better. But this is what happened. That's from Z-Jack in Vegas. But the rest of this is is all messed up. I mean, of course it's still drivable, so I could buy it back from insurance and still drive it, no problem. But I think I'm gonna replace the door, and then I'm gonna get a set of over fenders, which I really didn't want to do because my wheels are already on spacers, and if I get over fenders, I'm gonna have huge spacers. So yeah, whatever, I guess it is what it is. But I want to get the over fenders that go all the way up here and then down. Maybe try to pull it out a little bit. I don't know, I'm not good at body work. So if you guys have full body fender recommendations, let me know what they are, because I'm still so new to the Z game. But yeah, so that's it. Changed the oil once. She's been a damn good unit. Really super pumped on buying this thing. So once the weather warms up, I'm gonna go to Harbor Freight. I'm gonna get a welder, and I'm gonna start working on this thing, getting it ready. Hold enough tires to go do the tire test. So at least 4 wheels and tires. Hopefully 6 or 8 would be fantastic. If I could fit some of my wider wheels in there, that would be great. I need to somehow install a tow hitch on the Z, finish a locking mechanism for the front of this, a latch for the actual trunk, because right now it just kind of bounces around, wire up some lighting, and I think that should be it for this thing. I mean, it's mostly done already, but it just needs a few little things to actually be good to go. Archer, stealing a stick from the tree. When you can't find a stick, you make your own. Just gonna break the whole tree off? Nope. Anyway, so that's the update. Can't wait to start making this thing work, but I gotta figure out some logistics on the actual tow hitch on the Z, making that work. It should be fun. I'm excited for it. And that's really all I have for this winter update. It's about to snow like crazy, so I wanted to get out here and film this before everything's completely blanketed and then I couldn't show the body damage. Come on, Archer. Happy New Year, everybody. All right, so hope you enjoyed that quick little tour and recap of my season and antics with the 350Z. Maybe I'll have 2 next year. I sure as hell hope so. Fix that one up, get it all pretty again. I'm gonna be down in El Paso doing a car show in March or April, and our season here in New Mexico starts up around the 14th through the 30th of April. So I'll have a schedule up for that as soon as the new year hits around. And also don't forget No Coast Drift Party 9. 9th year. Oh my God! No Coast Drift Party 9 is going to be Labor Day weekend, which is the first weekend in September. I'll see you guys all there. Officer Dan.